Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be who is in love with you. So today we will find out who is in love with you. So we have two piles here. Pile number 1 is this black donut and pile 2 is this silver donut. So you can choose any pile which is intuitively you are connected with. Okay, so as usual, when I'm shuffling, you have to think about your person. If that person is in love with you or not, you can think about that person, and you can send the energies and vibes so that you can find the truth whether that person is in love with you or not. If it is a stranger or a new person, we will find out, and also we will pull some initials also to get the confirmation. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers, whoever liking my readings and whoever watching my readings. So thanks to everybody, and please continue your support. Your support motivates me to continue this channel and continue the readings. I was little busy with the personal readings last week, so I could not do much readings. Then if you want any personal reading, you can reach out to me. My details are given below in the description box. My email id is given, so you can send an email and I will respond back to you. If you want any different kind of readings, you can mention it in the comment section so that I can do it for you. Then that's all, not much, and I want to request all of you to press the bell symbol to get the get more notifications, because I can see that many viewers are seeing my readings but not subscribing to my channel. That is very sad. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell symbol to get the notifications. So without wasting much time, let's start the reading. So we will start the reading with black donut. So whoever chose this black donut, this reading is for you. So we will see who is in love with you. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Who is in love with my pile 1? Whoever chose this black donut, who is in love with my pile 1? Please give us some clarity and the truth. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Who is in love with my pile number 1 people? Who is in love with my pile number 1 people? I don't want many cards. Who is in love with my pile number 1? Okay. So we got here the Knight of Wands. Who is in love with my pile 1? Okay. One more card popped up. Six of Spheres. One more card, Spirit. Who is in love with my viewers? Whoever chose pile number 1. Who is in love with my viewers? Please give one more card. Okay, we got one more card. The Wheel of Fortune or Fortune Wheel. Okay, we got here all the 3 cards. Then bottom of the deck is 8 of Spears. Okay, the bottom of the deck is 8 of Spears. So let's see. So I can see here the person who is in love with you is for most of the people it is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and for some of you it is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and for some you are dealing with, or the person who is in love with you is Taurus, Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio. Okay, any one of these signs can be very prominent in your life. Okay, so whoever is coming towards you or who is in love with you already, and we will see more about this reading. So first, overall energy is 8 of Spears. Okay, so that means this person is very hard-working person, and this person is very much interested in saving money, or this person is into financial background. Maybe this person is a chartered accountant or something very money minded person or hard working person to save money. Okay, this person is working very hard in his career or finance, and this person is right now he is into concentrating in his money and finance. Then we can see here Knight of Sons. That means this person is very much passionate about you, and this person feels you are very attractive, and this person is attracted towards you very like physically or sexually. So this person want to come towards you. Knight of wands, Knight of Sons means this person definitely want to take an action to come towards you or express his or her love towards you. And this person is definitely Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, I can see. So this person want to come towards you and express his or her feelings towards you, and they are dreaming about you. They are very much attracted towards you. They want to take a fast action or movement and come towards you. Then the other one is Six of Spears. Six of Spears means this person want equal give and take in this connection. Maybe that person is giving too much in this connection. Maybe this person is a friend of yours. You already know this person, and this person might be also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this person want to have equal give and take, and this person want to have a balanced life with you. And this person does lot of charity works and all, very much like kind person, kind hearted person. This person loves to do charity, and he but for some people this person might be little bit dominating also. This person might want you to be under this person. Maybe whoever is in love with you, this person want you um, to be in his control or her control. Okay, so they have this kind of like controlling nature or controlling mentality, and they want to have a balance in this life definitely. And the wheel of fortune or the fortune wheel, so they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, and they feel that it will happen in divine timing. Okay, this person wants to come towards you, but this person is waiting for the right timing, and this person is waiting for the wheel to turn in his or your favor, so that they can move ahead, continue towards you. So let's pull some more cards. Who is in love with my pile 1? Who is in love with my pile 1 spirits? Who is in love with my pile 1? Please give me 3 cards. Who is in love with my pile 1 people? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who is in love with my pile number 1? Who is in love with my pile 1? Okay. So first we have Queen of Swords, then the Moon, then the Seven of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck is King of Swords. Very nice. We have King of Swords and Queen of Swords together here. Okay, so this person looks at you like equal partner or compatible partner, and he or she feels that you are the right companion for this person, and you both are equal. This person definitely looks like you are the right what do you say, equal partner. Okay, he is not looking at you like you are less than him or her. So this person feels that you both are like equal, and he looks like you are the mother of his children or wife. Okay, wife material, and future wife. This person is looking at you like that. Future wife or husband, this person is looking at you like that. Then this person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Pisces is very strong here. And as I told you already, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this person is very much under in his power, and this person want to come towards you. And for some people this person might be a divorcee also, or you are a single mom. So I can see whoever chose this pile number 1, one of you, or either you are single mom, or this person is a single father, or a divorced person, or this person already had a relationship, a long-term relationship earlier. Now this person is getting divorced and coming out of that relationship. That's what I can feel. And whoever is the viewer might be a single mom. I can see the children here. So because of that, this person is not able to express his or her love towards you. Okay, there are many secrets involved in here in this connection, the moon. So maybe this person is not telling you properly what exactly that person feels. Okay, he or she feels this person is not expressing. Excuse me, friend. Okay, so there are a lot of secrets involved in this connection, or your mother or that person's mother is against this marriage or connection, or this whatever the connection that you have with this person, that mother or your mother or that person's mother, your partner's mother is not agreeing for this connection. Okay, that person is definitely deeply in love with you, but the mother is not agreeing. Okay, mother or mother figure or sister, they are not agreeing for this connection. So seven of pentacles, that means this person is patiently waiting. Okay, he sowed the seeds, and he's waiting for them to come to fruition, or come to reap. Okay, so this person is carefully waiting for the right time, and he is waiting for the investments returns. Okay, so it can be financially, this person is waiting for the money to return back, or he's whatever he invested in this connection, this person is waiting for the return to come to him or her. Okay, so we will pull some more cards. Okay, so right now this person is waiting, in waiting mode. This person is not coming to you. So I strongly feel that you know this person already, but maybe you don't know what are their current feelings, and how they are feeling about you, because they are not expressing, they are secretive. Okay, you know this person, and you are also single, divorced. Okay, this person is also recently come out of the one relationship or divorce. So they are waiting for the completion. The wheel of fortune wheel is there here. So let's pull some more cards to complete this reading. Okay, two cards we got here. So one is devil, and other one is the world. Just now I said this person is waiting for the completion. Okay, maybe this person is currently into that relationship which he or she wants to come out of. Okay, this person is very much passionate towards you. Devil energy, that means this person is obsessively thinking about you. This person is watching over you. I can also feel that this person is a long distance relationship for you. This person need to travel and come towards you. He or she are not near to you. Okay, they are far away, and they might be Capricorn. Okay, they might be also Capricorn. So this person is obsessively thinking, and this person is observing you from far. Okay, then this person want to complete one cycle with somebody else, and they want to come towards you. Maybe it is a divorce only. They want to complete their divorce procedure and everything, because we have a lot of money cards. That means this person is not able to fulfill the demands for divorce. Okay, that is the reason this person is working very hard to get the money to get rid of the other person. So strongly I feel that this person is already married or into long term commitment, and this person is right now coming out of this out of that connection, and you are already divorced and you are a single mother. Okay, that's what I can feel from this pile number 1. Let's get the initials for your person. Okay, so hope you can see this. W R V and K. We will also see what are the messages that this person want to tell you. What are the messages from your person? What are the messages from this person? Let's see. What are the messages from this person? What are the messages from this person? What are the messages from this person? Whoever chose pile number 1, what are the messages from their person? What are their messages from this person? What are the messages from their person? What are the messages from their person? Okay, we got. Okay. I want to reach out, but I'm afraid. I want to reach out, but I'm afraid. Okay, so this person wants to reach out, but they are afraid. Okay, Children are affecting this connection. So already I told you, whoever chose this file, they are single mom, whoever is a viewer, they have children, and the children are affecting the connection. I couldn't let you get close to me. I couldn't let you to get close to me. That means this person is very hesitant and very scared to get intimate with you. That's why this person is saying, I couldn't let you get close to me. That's the reason this person did not express his or her love towards you. I'm ready to fight for you. Now this person is ready to fight for you. That's the reason this person is undergoing divorce. Okay, let's watch the sunset sitting at the beach. This person is saying, let's watch the sunset sitting at the beach. This person is daydreaming and obsessively thinking about you, as I told you already. I can't marry you. Okay, for some of you this person is secret admirer, and this person is saying that I can't marry you, because this person, as I told you, his mother or her mother is not agreeing for this marriage. So this person is saying, I can't marry you, but this person is obsessively thinking, very passionate, sexually attracted towards you. Okay, so this person is very fearful, okay, scared of this connection, and they are saying, I can't marry you. So this is not possible, this person feels, but in future this might change. Okay, right now these are current feelings. It can change in future also. We will see in the future. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. Then let's move on to pile number 2. Whoever chose this silver donut, this reading is for you. So this reading will be for pile 2, whoever chose the silver donut. Let's do the reading. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance. Who are in love with my pile 2 people? Who are in love with my pile 2 people? Who are in love with my pile 2 people currently? Who are in love with my pile 2 people? Who are in love with my pile 2 people? Who are in love with my pile 2 people? I think we got more cards. Let's take it, but okay. So we have here 5 of stars. Let me take out these cards here. So we have here 5 of stars, then death card, fortitude, and master. Okay, so we have these cards here. I can see that you might be dealing with, the person who is in love with you might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and strongly I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and for some of you it will be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so death card means it is Scorpio. So Scorpio is very prominent here. This is the major arcana. Then master is also here. So let's see what card says. So this person is battling for you right now. They are having lot of fights and conflicts with you. You know this person already. So there is death of this relationship. So you or that person, or you both are thinking that this connection is over. This is death. Okay, then death can be rebirth also. And I can see here, as I told you already, Scorpio, then Leo, okay, are very prominent here. So this person is having lot of conflicts, and they are standing tall against everybody. Then they are having lot of fights. Okay, so they are very defensive. They are standing with all the 5 swords in their hands. Okay, 2 are they are holding, and some are fallen down. So this person is very much in a defensive mode right now. Maybe something happened between you, maybe some divorce, or this person might be ex for some of you. I can feel that this person might be for some of you, this person is your ex, and this person is in love with you still. Okay, then you or this person, both of you are thinking that this relationship is over. Then there is nothing can be done in this situation, but both of you are very strong. You are maintaining the strength, you are gathering your courage, and you are gathering the strength to live away. Okay, this might be a long term relationship and you both are separated, but still both of you are maintaining the strength to live away from each other. But this person is having lot of emotions towards you. This person misses you a lot. This person want to give you a offer of love. This person is very much single right now. This person is not with anybody else and this person is thinking about you. But this person is defensive, as I told you already. Five of swords energy. But still this person is in love with you. This person, strongly I feel that this person is in your ex. And who else is in love with you? My pile number 2. Who else is in love with you? Okay, we got all the cards. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Fool, and we have here 5 of Pentacles. Please take it how it resonates. Okay, and the Tower and the 3 of Swords. Okay, so this person, whoever is the other person, there are 2 people here that are in love with you. Okay, the next person is in full energy. They want to take risk and come towards you. They are in ignorant energy, immature energy. They want to take risk and they want to take leap of faith and come towards you. I feel that this person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so this person is already, you know, this person and you had a tower moment in the past, and this person is a wounded warrior. That means this person, something had happened between you and this person is walking away from this connection, but there are a lot of secrets involved in this. You can see the church inside and the wounded people are walking away. You okay, both of you had some past. Okay, something is there between both of you, but this person still loves you, and you had a tower moment with this person, or with this, in this connection you had the tower moment. Something destroyed unexpectedly, destroyed very in unexpected ways. Suddenly something happened, everything collapsed, everything fallen down. This is because of the third party. You are broken hearted. So 3 of Swords, so you, third party definitely is there in this connection, whoever is the next person. So 2 people are in love with you, and this person wants to come towards you, want to take risk, but they are afraid. Okay, so let's pull some more cards. Definitely you are heartbroken in this connection. So let's pull some more cards to get more details. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Okay, Lovers. You both are lovers. Definitely this is soulmate connection, and you are in you are also in love with this connection. Please take it how it resonates. The Strength card came twice. Okay, this person might be Leo strongly, and so one of them might be Leo and one of them might be Gemini. Okay, please take it how it resonates. But the one of them in both, one of them are your soulmate, and the other person is having the strength to, both of them actually, both of the lovers who is in love with you, they had a past with you, and they are now gathering the strength to come towards you. Okay, but both of them are right now stand still. They are not making any move, but they want to make a move in future, and they want to come towards you. But this is soulmate connection, so they want to come. They cannot escape, or you can't escape from them. Okay, so they want to come towards you and express their love. Let's pull some initials. I got so many. For first pile only I got 4. I don't know why. So let's see. Alphabet C. These initials might be their first name, last name, or middle name. Please take it how it resonates. Hope you all can see. So the next one is L, W, K, V, Y, J, O, E, and B. Okay, so any of the initials, it might resonate with your person's first name or middle name or last name. Okay, so let's see their messages for you. So Spirits and angels, please give us some messages from their person. Please give 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 us some messages. Okay, all the cards are falling down. Okay, so let's see. So top will be the first person's messages, then the next person. Are you happy without me? The first person, whoever it is, then they are asking me, as I told you, first person might be your ex. That person is asking, are you happy without me? I'm starting to understand our connection. So your ex is saying that I'm starting to understand our connection. Children are affecting this connection. So as I told you, maybe you're having children with this person, and this person is feeling that they are affecting your connection. So I wish I had treated you better. Okay, your ex is regretting now. Then they are saying that I wish I had treated you better. So let's pull some card for the second person also. I acted like it wasn't a big deal when it really was breaking my heart. Now the other person is also regretting, whoever had you had tower moment with. So now this person is also regretting. I wonder if you are happy without me. Both of them are asking the same question. So I wonder if you are happy without me. Please forgive me. So the person is saying, please forgive me. I know I messed up everything. This person says, I know I messed up everything. But this person is deeply in love with you. You are like a mirror to me and it scares me. Okay, so that's the reason. Maybe the viewer is very intuitive. So he's scared of this connection. He or she is scared of this connection because you are kind of a mirror to this person. And this person feels that whatever this person feels or thinks, you are telling them, or you are able to connecting with them intuitively. So that's what scares this person. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2, whoever chose the silver donut. Okay, until next reading, bye.